legendary Devout. We're going to try it with a Claymore. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring in the bounty hunter. And he's just going to be a little bit of a distraction. Deselect him. Bring in the Devon to protect him. Bring in some Wastelanders to provide some extra protection for the moment. All right, now we're going to bring in the Claymore. The Claymore is unbelievable. I don't know if he's supposed to do this or not, but we're going to show you what he could do. We're going to take out these buildings so that they don't produce troops. Then we're just going to leave him there, and he is going to, all by himself, clean out almost everything. So while he's doing that, we're going to take our Wastelanders, and we're going to start shooting things. We're going to clean out the base. It's 10 Wastelanders. We got to get this guy right back here. Come on, where are you? Okay, there it is. Light him up in red and he's dead. I have 10 Wastelanders. Oh, they're shooting me now. Get away. There you go. Just clean out everything. A Claymore is just going to basically clean out the rest of the base for you. He's going to take some damage. We started with, I don't remember, about an hour and 50 minutes damage, because I did it a couple, oh, you're shooting at me, let's take you out. There you go. It's a whole lot easier way to do the legendary Devout base. All right, retreat them. Now we're going to bring in some more, 10 more Wastelanders. Well, before we do that, let's try this. Where's our Claymore? All right. Get my Claymore. Select. Get him over here. Let's get rid of these 2 bunkers. That way I'll get less damage. All right, now just let him go. So deselect him. Now we'll bring in our Wastelanders. Basically, the Wastelanders are just going to clear everything from the base. You got to watch out. Yeah, go get them. Good, good. Because if he doesn't do that, I got to kill him. Yeah, see, they're going to attack my Wastelanders. That's all right. They won't take a lot of damage. You're just trying to kill all the buildings. But there's a couple of buildings. Don't kill that one. Because, I mean, you can, but there's no sense fighting it. Save that for next to last. There's some Wastelanders. Spread them out. All right, guys, let's kill them. Don't kill this building. Those are the last 2, because the stuff that comes out of there will attack you. So save those 2 buildings for last. Clean everything else out. But don't kill those ones. All right, get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. All right, what do we got? Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take our Claymore and we'll get rid of these 2 bunkers down here. Because once they get out of there, they're a lot easier to kill. Kill that building, kill that building. Over here, kill that building. All right, now just let him go. And, all right, what's going on? It's just with the Claymore. The rest of these guys, you can retreat. Retreat. The Claymore, he'll take a little bit of damage, but he won't take that much damage. Just let him go get him. Who's he killing now? Once you get all the buildings killed, last 2 buildings you want to kill. Oh, he's a pain. All right, got him, got him. Just kill this building and you won. That's it. Just that easy, just that quick. And that's all we get. So go, try it.